Here's an example from a student's perspective of another successful Edpuzzle lesson.
Or what if instead of painting with a brush, I could only paint with karate chops? Or what if instead of making art to display on a wall, I had to destroy it? This destruction idea turned into a year-long project I called Goodbye Art, where each and
If you could make a piece of art and knew it was going to be destroyed, what would you make?
every piece of art was destroyed. Destroyed after its creation. By limiting my theme to destruction, I let go of the tangible outcome and saw new possibilities where
It's one thing to always think about. If we let go of the tangible outcome, the possibilities that we are presented with are endless.
art didn't have to be tangible, or serious, or permanent. In the beginning, I focused on forced destruction, like this image of Jimi Hendrix made with over 7,000 matches. It burned in 1 minute. And then I opened it up to new things where art was destroyed by itself. I looked for temporary materials like Oreo filling, spitting out food, cheese whiz, or frozen wine. The last iteration of destruction was to produce something that never actually existed in the first place. So I laid candles out on a table, and I lit them, and I blew them out, and I repeated this process over and over with the same set of candles. Then I took the videos and assembled them into the larger image. So the end image never actually existed as a physical whole. It was destroyed before it ever existed. The destruction riff opened up a whole new phase of creativity for me. Now when I run into a barrier or I find myself creatively stumped, I move from frustration to anticipation really quickly because I know something amazing might come of it. We live in pretty unpredictable times, and our ability to create is the most powerful tool we have to attain security. Limitations may be the most unlikely of places to harness creativity, but perhaps one of the best ways to get ourselves out of ruts, rethink categories, and challenge accepted norms.
The end of this video brings all of the creators' points together and defies the message that this video has presented.
And instead of telling each other to seize the day, maybe we need to remind ourselves every day to seize the limitation. Thank you.
Another tool that was used in this video is the idea of the audio clips, which allows you to interject little pieces of audio into certain sections of the video to have the listener think about.